No, not on your shirt. Okay? Not on your shirt. Wait. Let's see. That's your nice shirt. That's Caledonia. Eat it. Try it. Try it. Oh boy. What is it?
No.
What is it? Is it good? Yeah, let's not get this dirty. What is it? Is it yucky?
No.
You don't like it? Nani is disappointed.
Back.
Do you like raspberries? Do you like cheese?
Go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No? You wanna try it?
No.
No?
Okay.
Okay, I take it. Watch. Oh boy. Mmm. Mmm. Want to taste it?
Yep.
Nope. What is it? Is it yucky?
Yeah.
Want some of this? Want one of these? They're cookies. Biscuit. Mmm. Two, three. How many? Count them. Can you? Yeah. What's that? What's that?
Chalk.
Yeah, cookie. Count them. One, two. How many? How many? Oh. Can you show Nana how many? Two. Three. Yes, 3 cookies. Look at that. Yay! You did it. Can you show me on your fingers how many? Are you going to eat them? No? There's no more. That's it. That's how Nani made the cracker crust. It's graham cracker crust. Mmm. Can you take a bite?
Nope.
Try it. It's good. Take a taste. Mmm. Good. You don't like it? Of course, now we can't eat it because you got your tongue all over it. Yeah. Where's the... It broke. Uh-oh, it broke. Uh-oh, you gonna fix it? Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
It's like a puzzle. Huh. Whoops. Hmm.
Away.
Okay, Nani put them away, okay? Yeah, Nani got them. Do you want to get down?
Yep.
Yep?
Yep.
Can you say bye? Say bye. No? Okay. Let me help you. Can I help you?
Yep.
No. Now what do you want? Hmm? What do you want? What is that? Hmm? Sit down. Okay. Spin, spin, spin. Do it. No, no. Let go of the white part. Hold here. Hold here. Ooh, you like spinning it. Let go of the white. Don't touch this. No, because that won't spin. That's right. That's right. Do it. Do it. Whee! Do it. Can you say goodbye?